Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am fresh out of the shower and fresh faced because today I wanted to try and review my new Gua Sha stone. So Cool Sculpting recently sent me an amazing PR package with a ton of really cool at-home beauty and fitness tools, and this Gua Sha stone was one of them. I have never used one of these before, but I've been really interested in them, so I thought I would use it today on camera for the very first time. So this is totally foreign territory for me. I understand what the point of it is, but I'm not exactly sure how to use it, so I did a little bit of research before filming, and I put out a call on my Instagram asking for your tips, and I have a much better idea of how to use this. But this is going to be like a 101 video, you know, just a quick before and after. If you have any recommendations or tips or suggestions for how to better use this tool, please leave them in the comments below, not just for me, but for anyone else who may be looking into purchasing and using this in the future. So real quick before we get started, I just wanted to share that I'm wearing my Cuddle Plushie hair towel and robe today. I've been loving these a lot lately, especially this hair towel. It has the best little like button and elastic in the back, so it stays on. It's super lightweight and really easy to use. They're not sponsoring any portion of this video, but I just wanted to share because I do still have an active coupon code with them, and it is AB12, which will get you 12% off your order at cuddleplushie.com. They have a ton of different robes, as well as bath, hand, and hair towels, so be sure to check out their site if you're in the market for anything like that. All right, on to the Gua Sha stone. So this is the box it came in. There's really no brand. It just says Gua Sha, 100% natural. So this is a massage technique that is used to release tension in the face muscles. It helps to boost blood circulation and encourage lymphatic drainage. You can really use the tool as much or as little as you'd like, you know, 1 time a week or 7 times a week. And I think most people use it, you know, up to 10 minutes. I could see myself using this for maybe 2 minutes or so, unless I really wanted to sit down and give myself like a full face massage, but I don't have the time or energy to really do that every day, but you certainly can. They say to use it right after you wash your face and to use it with a face oil or a moisturizer. Today I'm gonna use an oil, and this is what mine looks like. Someone on Instagram told me that they keep theirs in the freezer, so I popped mine in the freezer for a few minutes before starting this video, and after I took it out, I've just left it in the box because I want it to retain that chill, and it is still really cold, which is exciting. So we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna kind of walk you through what I've learned and show you how to use the tool. And again, any recommendations or suggestions, please leave them below. Again, they really don't want you to do this on bare skin, so I'm gonna apply my under eye cream and a face oil. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Avocado Under Eye Treatment. I love this stuff. This was one of my favorite products from 2020. I'm gonna rub in a very generous amount, like a very generous amount, because we're just gonna work this in with the tool. Oh, it feels so good. And then for a face oil, I don't really have many face oils. I had a bunch of serums and moisturizers, but I wanted to use a true oil. And when I was looking in my skincare drawer, I actually found my Mederma Quick Dry Oil, which is one of my favorite products to use on acne scars. It's great for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, or dry skin. It is paraben and fragrance free, and it can really be used on any part of your body. I don't know if this is a great oil for everyone to use on their face, but I'm gonna use it today because I wanted a true oil to test out my stone. So this can be a little messy. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my face and neck. All right, let's grab our Gua Sha stone. It's still very cold. Now, every side can be used in a different way. The larger, flatter sides are for larger portions of the face. The smaller curves are for the brow bone and the eye area. I think the jagged edge is for the areas that you really want to stimulate. So you could do that on like your cheekbones, but I'm gonna start today. I think I'm gonna start with this side. Oh my gosh, it's actually really cold. And work from my neck up. So every time you use it, you want to do it in sweeping upward motions. And they say to do each area like 10 times. It actually does feel really good. I'm going to use this area to kind of do the side of my throat. Now I'm going to work along the jawline, again 10 strokes. Feels really good. I'm just doing something to my face that I typically don't do, so I do feel like it is being massaged. I'm gonna use this side underneath my cheekbone, like on my cheek. And you want to use the smaller parts under your eye. Everything I've read has said to lay the tool flat and gently drag down and up and out. I'm gonna try to do like that, like very gentle. It feels amazing right here. I can see why this would be better to use while it's cold. I've seen a lot of different ways to use it on and around your nose. I'm gonna take this kind of curved edge here and just drag it along my nose underneath my eye area and scoop my whole face, kind of covering this whole section. Just apply really gentle pressure. I'm loving this so far. I'm gonna do my brow bone now. I think I'm gonna go like this. We're gonna go under here, like that, up and out. And then we're gonna finish off with the forehead. So again, I'm gonna take this curved side and I'm gonna divide my forehead into 2 portions. So we're gonna start over here and kind of go up and out. Now it is normal for your skin to get a little bit red, and I was applying more pressure on my forehead than I was to the rest of my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the middle right now, I think, just to kind of even it out. So directly up. Nice. I just wanna like keep doing it. It really feels amazing. I think I'm gonna put my makeup on, come back and just show you what my face looks like, all done up for the day. Let me know if you notice a difference. I don't think it's gonna be that dramatic, but this is an awesome little tool to add to your arsenal if you're into at-home beauty treatments. There are so many different styles of stones and types of stones, different crevices and areas. They're all fairly similar to this shape, but there are different ones out there, and I will be sure to link a few options below. All right, I did my hair, I did my makeup, and this is my post Gua Sha face. I don't think I really look that much different, but I have to say my skin really does feel great. I feel like I treated it today. That stone definitely boosted the circulation. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I can move it better. I really don't know how to explain it, but with any kind of facial treatment, whether you're micro needling, whether you did a face mask, laser treatment, red light therapy, jade rolling, or Gua Sha stoning, I mean, anything out of the ordinary that you do to your face, I think you're gonna see and feel amazing results, and I'm really, really happy with this. I definitely wanna begin incorporating it into my weekly routine. Recently, I've just heard so many great things about Gua Sha and girls who absolutely swear by it. They can totally notice a difference, and hey, it's worth a try. I plan to come back and update you on how that's going at some point, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment below letting me know if you have used a Gua Sha stone before, or what kind of at-home treatments you like to do that you really notice a difference. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!